I'm chanting the Maha Mantra. Oh, Maha Mantra, very nice. But it is Radha Krishna. It's Radha Madhav Yugo Mantra. Yugo means one. Union. Yoga. Madhurya Bhav. So first we put our petition at the lotus feet of Radharani. Hare. Oh, Hare. Oh, my mother. Oh, Radharani. Whatever. Somehow fix on Radharani. Then she carries you where? To Krishna. Hare, then Krishna. But if you have no relationship with Hare, you'll never have a relationship with Krishna. So therefore, the first point is become a servant of the servant of the servant of the lotus feet of Radharani. And this is the teaching of Gaudiya Sampradaya, Radhadasyam. Begins with the first day that when you come in the temple as a bhakta. You chant Hare Krishna. Oh, why do we chant Hare first? Because that's the beginning. That is everything ultimately. So this is some of the glories of Srimati Radharani's name.